Hello everyone, my name is Hina Verma. I am a people teacher in Inspiration College of Teacher Education. Here I am presenting my presentation on a topic management process. So, before talking about management process, we must have a knowledge of management. Management is the coordination and administration of tasks to achieve a goal. Such administration activities include setting the organization strategies and coordinating the efforts of staff to accomplish these objectives through the application of available resources. Now, management process. Function of management is the systematic way of doing things. If we talk about management process, the first step is planning, the second step is organizing, the third step is directing, and the last one is controlling. Planning means determining the course of action, organizing means coordinating the activities and resources, directing means managing, motivating, and directing people, and controlling means monitoring and evaluating the activities. Now we will discuss in detail what is planning. Planning is the fundamental management function which includes deciding beforehand what is to be done, when is to be done, how is to be done, and who is going to do it. It is an intellectual process which lay down an organization objectives and develop various course of action by which the organization can achieve those objectives. It checks out extremely how to attain a specific goal. Now, organizing. Organizing can be defined as the process by which the established plan are moved closer to realization. Once a manager set goal, it develops plans. His next managerial function is organizing human resources and other resources that are identified as necessary by the plan to reach the goal. Organizing involves determining how activities and resources are to be assembled and coordinated, and this is an important function of management. Now, directing. Directing refers to a process of techniques of instructing, guiding, inspiring, counseling, overseeing, and leading people toward the accomplishment of organization goal. It is the continuous managerial process that goes on throughout the life of organization. Now, the last one is controlling. Controlling is one of the most important function of a manager in order to seek planned result from the subordinate. A manager needs to exercise effective control over the activities of subordinates. In other words, the meaning of controlling function can be defined as ensuring that activities in an organization are performed as per the plan. Controlling also ensures that an organization resources are being used effectively and efficiently for the achievement of predetermined goals. Controlling is a goal oriented function. It is a primary function of every manager. Controlling the function of a manager is a pervasive function. Now we will talk about management of education. Management of education is the process of planning, organizing, directing, and controlling the activity of an institution by utilizing human and material resources so as to effectively and efficiently accomplish function of teaching and extension work and research. Objective of education management are as follow. Educational management helps is the achievement institution objectives. It ensures school and college effectiveness. It involves interpersonal communication among member of school college. It helps in creating, maintaining, and enhancing a good public image of institution. Thank you.